more than just.
Basically, we have, this is the program, that's where it starts. We include the ATTiny library, and we allocate the different variables that we're using in the program, because we're only going to use 3. Basically, we start as we initialize our LEDs. So this is the 3 LED one, and we're only enabling these 3 for output, and this is the 4 LED one, enabling these 4 right here for output. And this is like this because it's just wired that way on the board, so it's moved over too. And this is the temperature sensor, so we have it set up on pin 4. That's the input, and the rest don't matter for that. So that's the initializing. We do that only once, and then we just once when we run the program, and then we go to state 0, which loads in the zeros and the ones into XH, X high, and X low register, which are a combination of 2 registers, and the high one just takes the carry of the low one if it goes over 255, I'm pretty sure. And same thing with the YH, it's the same type of register. And then we wait till it's 0, and you just keep waiting there until it's 0, we wait. And same thing, we wait till the ones, and we're just counting them. At this time, we're putting it into temp. And then we go into state 1, where we count what we've put into temp, and basically we count the ones. Here we do that by looping to delay for 3 clock cycles. So we do this, and actually we're counting at 100 kilohertz. So our margin of error is about 10 microseconds, plus or minus. And then we go on to count the zeros, which works the same way as count ones, which is we count the zeros. And then we go on, we shift them over by doing rotate, so we clear the carry, because we have the 2 registers, that high and low. And then we do we load in the 235s for our calculation, and the mask, which is 0. And we do our calculation right here. And basically it goes through it and uses subtraction to do our calculation of 235. I think it was 235 times 400 times T1 over T2. I think that's what it was. That'll be later on the site. And then we go to state 4, which we convert the calculation, which should be a number, which should be in temp, and then we put it into, we do a compare by 10. If it's less than 10, it would display it, because it will just display on the 4 LED marker. If it's more than 10, then it goes here. We increment temp sensor for every 10 that there is, and then we subtract 10. So we'll keep doing that until if it's same or higher, and keep doing that until it's either 10 or less, so it displays. And then we display here, and we have to do the complement of the temperature, because the LEDs turn on by zeros, but what we have right now are ones. So what the complement does is flips, makes zeros into ones and ones into zeros. So that's what we do, and then we output that. And this is for the 3 LED right here. And for the 4 LED, we have to move it over twice to the left because of how it's wired, and then we can output it. And then we just go back to state 0, which would empty out our ones and zeros registers, and then we can start over from scratch. And that's basically how the whole program works. And then and that's it.